Hello everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic with a 1 star, aka Suguru in Japanese. And this Tectonic in the additional of yesterday's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday, 31st December. Yes, December the 31st, 2020, the last Tectonic of 2020 will this be, because today it's a New Year's Day, no newspaper. By the way, Happy New Year again, and I hope the year will start with a good year. Yes, I hope a good year. Yes. All right, so let's get started, and before I start I must number this with number 2097. This tectonic will be number 2097. All right, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here a single box? I see here a single box. The single box is always a 1. That means the empty boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. In this area we have 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Triple box we see here, 1, 2 and 3. It contains 1, 2 and 3. We see here 2, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then this area we have 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet directly. How about these 4 boxes surround a 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 4, that box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. This is a 2. All right. These 3 boxes surround a 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes are left, of course, in this triple box for the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. This box cannot be a 3, because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 1. That means those 2 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left for the 4 and the 5. We see there 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Look, this area. This is a quarter box. It contains a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. I know this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, those two boxes cannot be a 4. But also this box cannot be a 4. And it needs a 4 in one of those 3 boxes. So this cannot be a 4. But also those 2 boxes cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. And also, this box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left now in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, that means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. Alright, these 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 and the 4 goes as a pair here. 3 and a 4, alright. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright, this box can be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3. And this should be a 4. Alright. Now we have a 3 here. So those 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left for the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. And I need a 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So this should be a 2. And this should be a 1. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or there. Yeah. 2, 3. Yeah. Alright. Let me see further. These two boxes cannot be a 1, but also these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 1. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area, the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me see. Yeah, 3 missing numbers now in this area. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this area for the number 2. 3 and the 4 are left. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. One of the missing number here is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this area for the number 5. Alright. And I think this number should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. So this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. If I place a 1 here, then those 2 boxes can be a 1. But also this box cannot be a 1. So this is not the solution with the 1. So this should be a 5. This should be a 1. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 4. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes there. Then. Let me see. Yes, we have a 1 here in those 2 boxes. Here could be a 1 or that box could be a 1. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4. And this should be a 1. Now we have a 4 here. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes. Yes. So this should be a 4 because that box cannot be a 4. Alright. So the 1, 2, and a 3 are left. 1, 2, and 3. We have a 3 here, so those 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and the 2. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, the last part. I think this box should be a 5. No. 5 and a 1. This box cannot be a 4 because now we have a 4 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4, so this should be the 4. Alright. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. The 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. In this quarter box, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. That means 2 numbers left here, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku with a 1 star, a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, boys and girls, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus in the future to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you on Saturday with a new edition. Yes, weekend is coming. Bye-bye for now. See you then, and have a great day.